Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to write an organic chemistry paper step by step. First, begin by clearly defining your research question and the scope of your study. Next, meticulously gather all your experimental data, observations, and relevant scientific literature. Before you start writing, create a detailed outline of your paper's structure, including all sections and subsections. This foundational planning ensures a logical flow and comprehensive coverage of your work. Now, let's move to drafting the core sections of your paper. Start with the introduction, providing essential background and clearly stating your research objectives. Then, meticulously detail your experimental procedures in the methods section, ensuring reproducibility. Present your findings in the results section, using clear figures and tables to illustrate your data effectively. Remember, precision and clarity are paramount here. Next, delve into the discussion section, where you interpret your results and explain their significance. Relate your findings to existing scientific literature and established theories, highlighting any novel contributions. Finally, craft a concise conclusion that summarizes the key outcomes of your research and reiterates their importance. This section should leave a lasting impression on your readers. The final, crucial step is refining your manuscript. Thoroughly review your paper for clarity, conciseness, and scientific accuracy. Pay close attention to all chemical nomenclature, units, and formatting to ensure consistency and adherence to journal guidelines. Lastly, proofread meticulously for any grammar, spelling, or punctuation errors. A polished paper reflects the quality of your research.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.